Connect the printer power cable. Power on. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on. Place the film paper frosted side up. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Go to the App Store and download Epson Smart Panel. Open Epson Smart Panel. Agree. OK. Next. Next. While using the app. Next. Allow. Click on your printer model. OK. Use tiles. Start. Agree. OK. OK. Click on the top right plus. No. Create a new Wi-Fi connection. Continue. Select your printer. Yes. Proceed to Wi-Fi connection settings. Next. Next. Reset. Hold down the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds. Setup is complete. Yes. Next. 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 Yes. Next. Enter your Wi-Fi password, which must be the same Wi-Fi connection as your phone. Yes. This is where the printer network is connected. Scan the QR code or enter the link in your browser to download phone case. Open the browser access link. Click on Android. Download. Continue installing. Open phone case. While using the app, allow. Agree. Enter your account password. Select the phone model you need. Photo. Photo. Print picture. Print picture. Wait for printing to finish. Do not operate the mobile phone during the printing process. Power on the film machine. Turn on the power. Wait for the machine to heat up to 130 degrees. Use a hair dryer to dry the film paper. Put into mold. Put in the film shell. Put in the film paper. Activate. Wait for 300 seconds. Completion of production.